Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Stay with me, of course. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So I am going to show you guys some outfits that I've been posting on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, by the way, it's YOU.BETTA. You better follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a lot of outfits and stuff, putting different looks together. Something that I've been wanting to do. I just started doing it. And I want to go in more detail, like the cost, and show you guys more up close what these outfits look like. So that's basically what this video is going to be about. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. So anyway, let's move to the next clip. I'm ready to start. Lego. Before I actually get into the outfit, you guys, big tip, right? If you're not trying to spend a certain amount when you're buying from a brand or whatever, this is what I do, right? I go to the sales section. Period. I don't really try to buy things for the regular price. I go for the sales, and I still wreck the sales and they look good. Period. But I go to the sales section and I filter the price. So some companies, you could filter what price you want to shop, like from $1 to $10 to $100, whatever. I don't go over, for the most part, $11, $12, or like from $1 to $15, I would say. I don't go over that as much as I can. I try not to do that, just to help me save money and gauge how much I'm spending. So a lot of these outfits, that's what I did when I bought them, so they're not too expensive and I got them on sale. So yeah, the first outfit is the one I wore on my birthday. Here it is. I know, sis, I look good on my birthday, and I took that picture myself. I'm that. But anyway, so let me show you guys in person what it looks like. So the next outfit I'm going to show you is this nude outfit. Here's a picture. It's this nude outfit that I was going to wear some sneakers, but I said no, you need to take it up a notch and do the most with this outfit. So that's what I did, and I love it. I just hope y'all get on this train, this Ross TjMaxx Burlington train, because you guys are missing out. So the next item is a blue. Here's a picture. Yes, it's like color-coded blue, different shades of blue, whatever. I thought I would experiment with that. And y'all, the hat is hella old. Like, that hat, I had it for at least a year and a half. So I was just like, girl, put a hat on. Like, you know, make it a little, you know, fun. You know, you could wear it outside. It's sunny, it's nice, you know, whatever. You're going outside. Or you can take the hat off and make it look a little bit more classy. You feel me? But yeah, I really love that outfit. Super affordable. The heels though, you guys, the heels hurt. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The heels hurt a little bit. I don't really like how the heels wear, but it is what it is. size is a little on the like edge. I feel like it's a t-shirt and oh, here we go. By the way, it's a t-shirt and some biker shorts and some heels, sis. Normally I would be wearing some sneakers with this, but I said nope, take it up a notch again, because why not? Those heels I had in my closet for the longest and literally never, I don't think I ever wore them outside. So I was like, no, I'm about to put these heels to use, and that's what I did. The next outfit is right here. It's a little fun. It's giving you a little tomboy vibes. I like that. Honestly, I found these shorts in the men's section. I don't normally shop in the men's section, but sis, a girl could wear both, okay? I am about to start shopping in the men's section, like for t-shirts and shorts like that. I did not expect to rock that the way I did. Like, I didn't even plan to wear it like that. It literally just came to me. So I think the outfit is really cute. I really like it. It's really fun outside, you know. Outfit is giving me like earthy, classy mom, like giving me real class. Here's a picture. It's giving me real class, y'all. Like, I love how it just, I don't know, it just like when you see me walk in this outfit, it's like you gotta like approach me a certain way. Like, you can't come to me on some like dumb shit. You gotta approach me on some like, feel me, like you just gotta know how to approach me. That outfit is super cute. A lot of the things I already had. I know I already had the top and the pants. These things I literally had in my closet, okay, that I just kept them. I'm a hoarder. Like, I always find ways to wear stuff, so I don't like to throw stuff out. I always feel like, oh, I can find something to wear with this later on or whatever, and it's like years later I finally found the purpose. Like, those pants, I finally found the purpose for those pants. Like, that outfit was bomb. This outfit is giving me like melanated queen. Just, oh, I just love this outfit. Here's a picture. Yes, I know. The hat, my hair, it just came all together. And these pants, I was not supposed to wear those pants like that. Those pants are actually too big to me when I got them. I was like, bro, these pants are too big. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. But I was like, nah, keep them. So I kept them and I wore them high waist because they were too big. and girl, it came together. I just threw a belt around it, period, and the lingerie top, I've been had that sis. So yeah, like this outfit is really affordable. I got from a couple different places. Love it. Girl, this outfit about to snatch y'all baby hairs, okay? This is a picture. I know, yeah girl, yep, that's it, yeah, I did that, yes. But honestly y'all, this outfit is really cute, like all white t-shirt. First of all, this is not a t-shirt, this is a shirt dress. And your girl said pull it under the skirt, because you know what, honestly the skirt was too short, I feel like, in my opinion. So that's why I pulled the shirt under, because I was like, maybe it will hide how short the skirt is, right? Girl, and then I turned the skirt in high waist, I pulled it up even more, because it's like the shirt covered my butt and everything, and the front, it comes out the front. So it's the dress really, and it's like it worked. It worked. It did its thing and it worked. So I love this outfit. It's really affordable, you guys. This shirt dress, you could wear it as a dress. You don't have to wear it like I did. You can wear it as a dress and it still works, sis. Yes. Those are all my outfits. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. If you guys love these videos, make sure you comment down below if you love these outfit details, whatever videos. None of this is sponsored, by the way. Nobody ain't paid me for this video, and nobody ain't paid me for these outfits. I bought this with my own money, and this is my honest review on these outfits and what I like about them and how I style them. Is my honest opinion and my honest view on them. I'm not getting no money. Wish I was, but I'm not. I'm doing this simply because I love clothes and I love shopping, and what girl don't? Like, that's the only reason I'm doing this, y'all. And I want to inspire you guys when it's time to go outside and you guys gonna pop out, okay? Because I'm gonna pop out. I'm gonna pop out. But thank you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video.